The SwellPro Fisherman Max is a heavy-duty drone engineered for one specific job: serious fishing. It brings massive payload capacity and full saltwater waterproofing to the shoreline. Before you commit to this specialized piece of gear, check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this drone performs across common fishing and flying tasks. The bait release mechanism handles significant weight with ease, making it a reliable workhorse for long-distance surf fishing scenarios. The saltwater-proof design provides real peace of mind when operating over the ocean, allowing for landings and takeoffs in demanding. While it includes a camera, it is strictly functional and does not offer the advanced stabilization or color science needed. The flight characteristics favor stability and payload handling over the nimbleness or ease of use you would expect from standard. While the specialized fishing capabilities are excellent, the overall flight and camera performance are clearly secondary. We looked at the cost against the unique hardware features provided. You are paying for industrial-grade waterproofing and lift capacity that you simply cannot find on standard consumer-grade alternatives. SwellPro has carved out a solid reputation in the specialized waterproof drone market, which adds a layer of confidence to. Because there are very few direct competitors offering this level of payload and water protection, your options are quite limited. The price is significant, so the value proposition relies entirely on how much you're fishing success. These are the primary concerns regarding safety and ownership. The construction is impressively tough, designed specifically to withstand the harsh realities of constant salt spray and marine exposure. Operating at higher weights requires careful pilot management, as the physics of flying heavy payloads over water creates a higher. The standard factory warranty provides a necessary baseline of support, though specialized gear can sometimes have longer lead times for. The design offers great protection against the elements, but owners should be cautious about the risks. This drone is a specialized tool for the serious angler. It handles heavy bait drops over water where standard drones would fail. However, if you are looking for a smooth, everyday cinematic flying experience, you should look elsewhere. Only purchase this if your primary goal is maximizing your reach and effectiveness on the water.